been an entrepreneur for over 20 years. My brands and my businesses have made over $100 million. I've invested in hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars worth of real estate. I can tell you this from experience, no amount of money is worth your peace, worth your happiness, worth your joy. I bought the Rolls Royces. I thought they would make me happy. I bought the big houses. All I did was build myself a luxury prison. After my mom passed away last year, it really shifted things in perspective. And if you guys have been following me, you've watched my journey of really going upstream and just reconnecting with me, with healing my subconscious pain through the therapy and the somatic release breath work and EMDR and all that good stuff. The version of me now is so much more connected, so much more in peace. And guess what? I'm making more money than ever. So it all comes together. It's all one self-fulfilling loop. Through this journey, I really have realized that you cannot give what you do not have. If you don't have unconditional love for yourself, you'll never be able to give it to others. So if you're struggling right now, if you're feeling stuck, if you're an entrepreneur trying to get to the next level and you're like, God, how do I do it? I'm telling you right now, it's not an external thing. It's not an amount of money. It's not hitting a goal. It's not buying something. It's not selling a business. It's none of those things. It's stopping for long enough to get present and then go upstream, go back in time and take care of that little version of you, that little kid version of you that needs that unconditional love. You heal that and you're going to step into any room very powerfully in alignment. And most importantly, you'll be happier. You got this.